Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Today, we are going to check up on the vowel sounds, long and short sounds. This is our plan format, okay? This is vowels and spelling. Here we have the use of short, no, long sounds and vowel sounds. What do I want to present, or what do I want for students to learn? I would like them to learn the short and long sounds of the vowels. Are you agree with it?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. We're going to start with A. Short sounds vowel. A for apple. E for egg. I for igloo. O for octopus. U for umbrella. Long and short and long sounds. A for apple. A for ape. E for eel. E for ant. I for igloo. I for eyes. O for octopus. O for ostrich. U for umbrella. And U for unit. Okay, we're going to repeat after me. A, apple.
Apple.
E, egg.
Egg.
I,
Igloo.
O,
Octopus.
U,
U.
umbrella.
Umbrella.
A,
Ape.
E,
And.
I, eyes. O, U, unit. Thank you very much. This is our class for short and long sound vowels. I appreciate your presence, and well, I would like you to learn a little bit more of the short and long sounds. Again, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Thank you very much.